Hey, how's it going, guys? It is Dom and
K-Ron.
And today
And
we're starting something new. We are going to be doing
Lootcrate.
Lootcrate.
I'm so excited
Now.
and hi.
I've been excited for this. I've been waiting for this thing
and I've been begging
for
him to do
so
it.
long. Yeah, she's been begging me to do this
Because I've watched people like PewDiePie and some other YouTubers do it, and I was like, Dom, we need to get this. So you can do lootcrate.com/poods and you'll get like 10% off.
Yeah, she's been wanting me to do this, and I've always thought it's pretty cool. Just wait, and yeah. So I finally broke. I broke, and I was like, all right, we'll do it. So it's here, and let's not waste any time. Let's do it.
Yes.
So.
Wait, it's this.
Oh, it's this. All right. So this month's theme is Antihero. So, all right.
I saw in one of PewDiePie's videos there's like a game board.
All right. So, hey, hold on.
It's Dominic.
Brand, back up. All right. This is what it looks like so far. All right. Got a T-shirt. What is this?
Says.
See, hold on. Sterling Archer. Okay, this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see the whole thing. If not, I'll show it at the end of the video. I'll lay everything out and show you what I got. This is T-shirt.
What's this? Wait, can we do one at a time?
Yeah.
Socks.
Socks, really?
Kill Bill.
These are Kill Bill socks. Okay, pretty cool. Let's hold on.
What's that?
Hold on. We'll get to it. We'll take them out and see what they look like. All right, still. Okay.
Oh,
See what they look like?
Shoes.
Oh yeah, they look like shoes. That's cool. They're both the same, but it's what they look like.
Oh.
Once again, I'll get a closer look at them at the end of the video.
One of my favorite things to watch on YouTube is bad lip reading. It's so funny. They do Star Wars, High School Musical, The Walking Dead. Yeah, The Walking Dead. They do a lot of stuff, and it's. Yeah.
All right.
Did you say Star Wars on
We have another one.
No. Oh, I thought he was there.
That's fine.
Warcraft.
Yeah, Warcraft loot pin. What's that? Pretty cool looking.
Look at this! Amazing! It's amazing! No, wait. No one cares about. I want to do.
What is this? Right Hand of Doom, Ceramic Bank. This is Hellboy. Let me open it and see.
Oh, that's a movie.
Yeah, I know. Let's open it and see. Okay.
Oh, it's a fist.
Oh, okay. It's like you put your coins in and everything. See?
Wait.
It's Hellboy's fist.
Oh, there's a little like slot.
There's a little coin slot
in the back.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and that's cool. It's like a fist. I'm gonna punch you in the face.
That's cool. What up? Okay. Alright, go ahead, Karen.
This is a Harley Quinn action figure, and she has.
Sit down.
Harley Quinn. That's her. How you pudding? Miss me?
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
What? Oh, jeez. Did you break it? Let me see.
I couldn't get it out.
Just go ahead. Let me see.
Why are you so mean?
Why you gotta break everything? You broke it. God.
Dad can super glue.
Wait, let me see. Make a messenger.
Put on. Can I see
Says
the
hi,
camera?
Caden, sit down. It's hi, Puddin', you miss me?
Yeah, wait, can I see?
Caden,
I
sit.
broke a steak that was supposed to go on here, but oh well.
Why?
There's like a little slot in the back. Right there. Yeah.
That's cool. What about this one?
Oh, look, it bobs.
Oh, yeah.
Actually,
It's her hammer. In the movie, she has a baseball bat.
and a hammer.
There's 2 more things left.
Alright, let me
I don't
see.
know.
Oh, it's a name.
Lootcrate magazine. Oh, okay, it's just a magazine.
What's this for?
Alright.
Oh, okay, that's it.
Maybe it's like a back.
Mm,
Or is there something on the box that it's supposed to go on? Yeah, look, right here. Flip me inside out.
is that what it says?
Yeah. Oh, okay, so there's a thing down here that you can pull, but it's... Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, like I said, there's some game boards and stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, now we have to... Is it flip? Okay. Oh.
Wait.
How the heck is this supposed to go?
On stuff.
Alright guys, when we figure this out, we'll be back in a minute.
Yeah. We figured it out, guys.
Yeah, we're back.
Alright.
Hold on. Wait,
Boom.
wait, don't hold on. If you think you know what it is, pause this right now, go into the comments, and say what you think it is. And the answer will be at the end of the video, which is
Alright.
probably soon.
Okay. But for now, I'm gonna lay everything out and show you what, give you a closer look at what everything is. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, this is everything that we got this month. So it says Sterling Archer. Do you want a president? I don't know what all this means. Because that's how you get a president. Dangerous president. Oh, Danger Zone president. 2016. Alright, so that's that.
Oh, the pin.
Oh yeah, the pen. This is what the pen looks like. Hold on, let me try to get the focus here. Let me get it. Alright, there we go. It's Warcraft loot pen. Antihero theme, of course. Yep, that's how that looks like. The socks. It's gonna be sideways for you guys, but this is the only way I can, get up close and get the whole thing. Yeah, these are the socks. Pretty cool looking. And this is the Hellboy bank. I'm sorry, I keep getting the string. Yeah, Hellboy bank right here. Boom. Looking pretty cool. I like that. And this is the Harley Quinn statue. And that is her. Hi, Puddin', you miss me? So.
Hi, Puddin', you miss me.
And that's the dog. I've never seen the dog before.
Yeah,
But,
Wait, that's
okay.
Harley Quinn.
And
it's an old one.
this. Alright, guys.
Here's the answer to the question.
The answer to what this is. If you guys hadn't figured it out already, it is Harley Quinn's hammer. Alright? Harley Quinn's hammer. You see? Pick it up. Boom. Harley Quinn's hammer. Alright. So, guys, that is it for this month's Loot Crate unboxing. I hope you liked it. I'm definitely going to keep going with these. So, yeah. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like, comment, let me know what you thought. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys next time.
Bye.